To install Google Chrome, we start by going to google.com/Chrome. And here we download Chrome. And we need to download the 64-bit deb package. So it is being downloaded. Okay, the file was downloaded. Let's open our Downloads folder. So we're now in the Downloads folder. Let's right-click and let's open this folder in the terminal. And we need to update our package list with apt update. And now that we are up to date, we can install the deb package we just downloaded. To do that, we will use apt install. And since the file we want to install is in the current folder, we go // and then we need to type in the first few letters from the name of the file. Then press on Tab for auto completion and enter. And Google Chrome was installed and can now be used.